Hello guys, welcome back. I recently bought a 2019 Audi RS5 Sportback. One thing I found out is pretty annoying about this car is that it doesn't have wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Since I have an iPhone, every time I jump into the car, I need to plug in the cable in order to activate Apple CarPlay on the screen. The main reason I use Apple CarPlay is to have Waze, a navigation app on the screen. The main advantage of using Waze is that it will notify me any nearby cops, potholes on the roads. Thus, I searched online and find this product that will enable wireless CarPlay Android Auto function. There are plenty of wireless dongles online, but the reason I choose this product is because of its minimal of design. Alright, let's unbox it. It has three main components in the box. This is the main units. A USB 2.0 to USB-C conversion port that you can connect to your car if your car has USB-C port. Of course, it has a manual, as you can see here. The size of the main unit looks like just a USB driver, but a bigger size. For comparison, this is the size of the car key, and this is the unit. It's smaller than the car key, as you can see here. As I mentioned before, I like the design because it is smaller than other products, and it doesn't have the extension cables. This is just like a USB, and of course it doesn't have any brand, which I don't like third-party logos on the unit. Okay, let's get into the car for setup. The setup is pretty simple. As an example, my car has two USB ports, one located here, another one in the central console box. This is the other one. You can plug your unit into this port or the port right beside the cigarette light. So I prefer to plug in my unit in this port. Okay, once I plug in a unit, a setup screen will pop up in a second. Okay, as you can see, this is the setup screen. The reason why my Apple CarPlay screen pops up is because I have already set up on my phone. Basically, go to Settings, go to General, go to CarPlay, choose the red CarPlay, because my unit has been already set up, so you can take any modification here. Right. Choose the app you want to show on the screen. For demonstration purpose, as you can see, my car is locked right now, and I have my phone in my pocket. Okay, once I unlock the car, the wireless Apple CarPlay should pop up on my screen. Okay, the car is now unlocked. Okay, I jump in, press the start button. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, Apple CarPlay now it's connected. That's simple. This is the USB port I use to plug in my unit. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.